Hello guys, this is a Saturday, Sunday, uh, fun day with my daughter and of course with my classmate and their family, respective family. So it's rare occasion that I normally go out for an overnight, especially with my daughter. So right now it's our bonding together. So and also she really likes to go with me since her classmate is also there, so at least she has somebody to be with and to enjoy that time and have a good time. So now since it's night, we cannot swim because there's no water at the sea. Actually there's a water, but now it's a low tide and it's around 8 p.m. Still don't have water. So what we did is just to go around, listen to the music where there's a mini concert there, and then just walk and see those people have enjoyed their own family and friends. There's a lot of tents there, so it's really nice to see friends. And as you can see, there's a bonfire. It's my daughter, I mean my daughter and her friend talk there. They have a private moment. Yeah, they are best friends, so they just stay with a bonfire and have a nice chat, I guess. So I just let the two have a good chat because it's a rare occasion that they are together after the pandemic. As you see, there most of them are studying online, so they don't really go out. So it's really nice to see my daughter with her friend talking and anyway, and it's their secret, so I don't really mind about it anyway. So me, I just walk around just to show you how fun is it. Anyway, we are observing social distancing, don't worry. And actually, this place, my place is not really have a lot of cases. So, and another one is because during that day there's no electricity in our place, in my place, so most of them just go out to chill out because you know it's a very very hot day. For us it's a summer day, so normally we need to go out and stay in the beach during this time. So it's night, this is the first night, so just walk around and see the things around, having fun with my friend, with my classmate, and of course their family. Have make up, talk about anything, just to enjoy because we are on the 50s. So we are talking about our future because I said in 10 years from now we cannot do this anymore because of course we are already a senior citizen. So right now we have a strength to have an outing, to do relaxing outside where we have to spend this time, and while we can able to do these things. So just to enjoy life, right? Because this pandemic cannot stop us to make us smile, to make us happy, and to have fun with friends. But of course, we have to be aware of it. We have to be careful. We have to use the mask. We have to be aware with our hygiene and the protocol so that we are not being infected with this kind of virus in a way. So just now, just chill out. And this is the bus where we rented. It's this bus owned by our friend, uh, and she's also there. And here already the husband of my classmate me and Franco are the one who prepare the food, of course, because all the girls will just chill out, just time. You know, we are already full of work at home, so while we are outside, so of course the husband are the one will do all the cooking. We just want to eat. That's it. So that's they're my classmate and enjoy that time without them. Hello guys, time for us to sleep. It's night time, so see you tomorrow. Good night. What a good day. The water is back again, so it's time for swimming. Enjoy and let's go in the water. Hurry up. Wapa nang gadan oh. Dana. Di ba dala so ano di so pinaka-charger? madulas.
Uy, may nakamo lang dulat pati.
Maalnas.
Wala ko lang alnas, napaalnas na nga ni ako. Kurat din. Pakita sa bayan.
Nakuan pa. Ito di ato. Picture lang tayo kasan ah.
Daman ka kain.
Ano lang, shade lang. Masarap maligo.